good. I like it. How low are you tuned on it?
I don't know. Honestly, I'm still learning a lot of stuff. So
it sounds like high 30 hertz range. It does pretty good.
Start about 32. It does good.
Yep.
Anything below 26 doesn't sound too good.
No, sir. Appreciate it, man. I'm gonna go look at the back. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Nice. Hey, how you doing, man?
Doing good. How about you, buddy?
Great. YouTube JacobViral. What's your name? What's in here, man?
What'd you say?
What's your name and what's in here?
My name's Crest. 2 Onyx 12s on a Mark 4500.
Okay. Is it a single 45?
Yeah, just a single 45. It's louder with the window down.
I know, just for the info. It's loud out. Did you build the box?
No, actually, I bought it built. It's 232 hertz.
All right. Are these the Gold Series, Platinum, or
Onyx?
Onyx. Okay.
On a Blurred Vision 4500, it's basically a Gap 45. It's the same exact thing.
Okay. Let's go look at the back.
you tuned on it?
Honestly, I'm still learning a lot of the stuff. So
It sounds like high 30 hertz range. It does pretty good.
start about 32. It does good.
Yep.
Anything below 26 doesn't sound too good.
No, sir.
Appreciate it, man.